Do you want to learn Python programming in an effective and easy way? Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Touhid. I'm Touhid with you in this complete Python course series tutorial. You will learn Python step by step and details from the scratch. You don't need any kind of previous programming knowledge because I will teach you from the basic, as well as I will focus on the syntax and mostly on the concept of every Python topic. Because if you don't understand the concept of all Python topic, it will be hard to follow the course. There is two versions of Python, Python 2.x and 3.x. In the following series course, I will teach you Python 3.7 or higher version. Why this course is different from other courses? At present, there is a lot of Python courses online or on YouTube, but this course is designed for you, mostly for the beginners. Because if you do not know nothing about Python or any kind of programming knowledge, I will teach you from the basic. But this course is way different because I designed this course in effective way. So there is a lot of people from different level. So this course will be easier for them. And mostly I will share all of my resources, all of my source code on GitHub. If you face any kind of problem while following the course, feel free to ask me. I will try to solve your problem. And mostly this course is completely free. You don't need to pay any kind of money. You just have to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share with your friends who's learning Python. So welcome to this course. I'll see you in the next video.